Welcome to the complete crypto guide for beginners. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to send and receive cryptocurrencies the safe way. Now, again, be sure to like and subscribe. This is going to be a very long series to help everyone who is interested to learn about crypto if they're struggling in the beginning, because make sure to watch the videos before this because everything is connected with one another. So in this video, we're going to learn how to send and receive crypto. Now, in which case scenarios will I need to ever send or receive crypto? If somebody is doing a service for me, if I need to give someone money, if someone owes me money, if I owe someone money, right? All these scenarios can be beneficial to know how to send and receive any sort of cryptocurrency that you want to. Now, again, for every cryptocurrency, there's a different network. For every, and not all the time. For example, there are many cryptocurrencies under a certain blockchain, which we will learn what blockchains are and what networks are throughout the video series. But prior to knowing what a network is, we need to know addresses, right? So let's say you are owing somebody money. Let's say your friend Fred owes you money, right? And Fred needs to send you $50. Well, Fred is asking me for my Ethereum wallet address, and I'm new to crypto, so I don't know how to do it. But you show anyone this video, and you watch this video, and you'll know how to do it. So let's say we have our exchange, we have our account where we're holding our crypto, and again, this is on a actual exchange. And we will learn to know how decentralized exchanges are, which are exchanges that are pretty much decentralized. But again, this is a centralized exchange, Coinbase. So in this case scenario, we want to send and receive our Ethereum address, right? We need Fred to send us $50. So we're going to click on our assets, and we're going to click on, again, this is a continuation from the last video. This is our dummy account, and we need to accept Ethereum. Well, Fred says, I need your wallet ASAP, man. So you click on this giant button right here. It's called send and receive at the top. You guys might not be able to see it, but it's right there, send and receive. And you click the send and receive. And now you're going to get your wallet address right here to send to somebody. And you can also receive. Confirm you're receiving from Ethereum network. Again, you will see that Coinbase itself is saying to receive from other networks like Polygon, you must switch networks. Do not send NFTs or ERC20s to this address. They may be lost. Now, again, Coinbase only works on the ERC20, right? It only works on Ethereum exchange right now, and they are branching out down the line, I'm sure. So, obviously, keep this in your head. It's very important that, hey, if someone's sending you money, they're not sending it to you on the BEP20 address, which is like the Binance exchange, right? If you, for example, I'll show you guys the different networks. We'll learn to know what different networks are later, but this is the BNB Smart Chain, which is the BEP20. But if you want to trade something like, let's just say, man, there's so many of them, right? Dogecoin, it's on the, let's see. Dogecoin itself, give me a second. I believe, wait, I'm tripping. Okay. Let's use Shiba, I believe. Shiba Inu is on the Ethereum blockchain, right? And I need to send Shiba Inu to my Coinbase address. Well, I can send Shiba to Coinbase without any issue, but if I want to send something that's on the BEP20 network, then I'm going to run into issues. But you have to make sure that your networks match. So if somebody is sending you money from the BEP20 and you're trying to send it to your ERC20 on Coinbase, your money is going to be lost. The person who's sending you the money is not going to be able to send you the money correctly because the money will be lost in the blockchain. And you'll have to contact the exchanges, and that's a whole different issue. So you have to make sure that you are sending and receiving crypto correctly. Make sure you are giving them the right Ethereum address. And all addresses need to be on the right networks. And we will learn what networks are and how to safely, I would say, safely travel throughout different networks and how to demonstrate and move forward with your crypto correctly. So you can click don't show me this again, but again, we'll keep it unchecked just so we can show it in other videos. So now this is my Ethereum address, right? This is my Ethereum address. I would copy this to my friend Fred, and I would say, hey Fred, send me this Ethereum address. Send me my Ethereum on this address that you owe me. I would copy and paste this, right? Or I could just simply send the screenshot to Fred, and he can take a picture of it and send it completely. So if I were to take my phone, right? If I were to take my phone and scan this QR code on Coinbase, click send, that gives me the 100% chance that, hey, there's no human error. It eliminates all human error possibilities, because now I have a QR code that is programmed correctly to make sure that the wallet address is sending, the Ethereum is sending to the right wallet address, the right network, and everything is safe, right? So you can all, it does seem like they have different networks here. You can choose Polygon and Solana. I was pretty spot on with that. I haven't even looked at Coinbase too recently. But again, it says right here, this address can only receive Ethereum from Ethereum network. Don't send Ethereum from other networks. So again, the reminder is there, and you have to make sure that you're sending this correct stuff. So again, Fred takes a picture, sends the Ethereum, and the money comes to my Coinbase wallet, and I will be able to do everything I just taught you guys how to do in the last video, which is convert. You can also sell. And again, if you ever want to sell your crypto, it's very easy to, right? Sell here. You can decide. Last video, we bought Chainlink. We can sell it here for USDC, and then we can withdraw the USDC to our bank account, and there will be a video on how to do that as well. But again, this is how you quickly and safely send and receive crypto. So similarly, if I want to send it to anybody, same thing. I'll be on the other side. So instead of Fred sending it to me, I'll be sending to Fred. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Short and easy without the BS. As always, be sure to join the Crypto Network community Discord for any more questions, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.